You need to see this crypto funded trader. Hey guys, let's check on this funded trader. I want to know your opinion.
Okay.
On ByBit, he opened 20 trades on NEIROETH and made almost 4,000 in just one day. It looks very promising, I think.
Yeah. Show us more about.
Yeah. He has 15 years of experience with the trading. He started day trading with a friend who worked on Wall Street, basically. He has 5 years of experience active trading, and basically he's using this trading strategy for 3 years now. So he uses series of indicators, including Bollinger bands, RSI and MACD, on trades on 5-minute time frame.
Okay, and he trade only Neiro, right?
Yes,
and
only this one.
Is this strategy working also on BTC or Ethereum?
I'm not really sure about it because he's focusing only on Neiro, but when I talked with him before he went on a demo live, he said yes.
Okay, and is he also funded with us already?
Yeah, he's funded. He's currently on a demo live after his second payout, so he will coming to sub-account soon.
Okay, good.
Also ask him if this strategy is manual or fully automated, because I think on the 5-minute time frame it can be much more effective on the 5-minute, and we can provide him up to 200K if he automates it completely.
Alright guys, I will interview him and let you know what I will find out. Do you want to know more about our funded traders? Then you need to see our interviews with them.